Welcome to our video. Today we are going to demonstrate how to print out shipping labels from your 2054A thermal label printer using a Mac on ups.com. First, you need your 2054A printer to be properly configured with your Mac computer. So if you're just starting to set up your printer, watch the Mac setup video guide first and get your printer properly configured with your computer, then come back to this one. Secondly, I would highly recommend downloading Adobe Reader. This is optional, but with Adobe Reader, there's a way to print the shipping labels with impeccable quality. I'll explain it later on in the video. On ups.com, after you purchase your shipping label and you are ready to print it out, you might run into this message. We could not load your label. Press OK and click on this little icon that looks like a box on the top right hand side, and just allow pop-ups from UPS and click Done. You have two checkboxes. Make sure both of them are not checked. Click on Print Label. Make sure that the destination is your shipping label printer. For the perfect sized labels, set your print settings as follows. Open More Settings. Scale should be 1/46. Margins, none. Paper size, 4x6. Layout should be landscape. And under pages, instead of all, you want to put 2. This way it doesn't print out all the extra stuff. All you need is the shipping label. Press print and your shipping label should be the perfect size. Next time you print out another label, your settings should be saved. The only setting that you would need to re-enter again is pages. Make sure pages is always set to 2 when you are printing from ups.com. Now you can press print. These labels should be good to go and ready to be placed on your package. But if you seem to be having issues in regards to print quality, or if you just want to have better looking labels, we have a solution for that. The reason why printing directly from your browser will not guarantee the best possible quality is because browsers are not optimized for high quality prints, as much as PDF readers, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and picture-based applications. So if you want the absolute best quality, you want to do the following. As a side note, this slightly tedious process is only for the initial setup. Once you have the setup and going, the process is very quick and simple. For this, you will need Adobe PDF Reader. If you don't have it yet, the link to the download will be in the description. So, on your Mac, go to any PDF document. If you don't have one or can't find one, you can use your shipping label as a PDF document. To do that, print out your shipping label and instead of your thermal printer, change the destination to Save as PDF. By default, anything you download will go to your downloads folder, so most likely you'd want to head over there. Once you find it, right-click on your PDF, or if you don't have a mouse, hold Ctrl and then click on your PDF, and you want to go to Open with Other. Select Adobe Acrobat Reader DC and check Always Open With and click Open. Once it is open, you can just close out of it and go back to ups.com where you were printing your shipping label. You still want to have the proper settings as we've discussed earlier. Make sure your thermal printer is selected. Everything else should have been saved except for pages. We want to change that to 2, and on the bottom it says Open PDF in Preview. Go ahead and click that, and your label should pop up in another window. Press Print. Where it says Preview, change that to Printer Features. And where it says darkness, change that to the highest possible amount. Now, if you plan to print this way for all your future labels, I would highly suggest that you save this as a preset. So I would go to Presets, then Save Current Settings as Preset. I would name it something like ups.com. Press OK. Now you can press Print. And you should have yourself a beautiful shipping label. For your future labels that you print this way, the only things you'd have to do is the following. Make sure that the destination is your shipping label printer. Print it as you normally would, and make sure Pages is set to 2. Open PDF in Preview, print, and since we have saved the preset earlier, change the preset to ups.com and press print one last time and your label should come out flawlessly. That about wraps it up for this guide. We hope we were able to help. If you have any further questions, you can reach out to us via chat on our website at arkscan.com.